Today, I tasked GPT-4 with generating Midjourney prompts for me. First, I provided it with instructions on the Midjourney commands and then gave it examples of what I needed. I asked it to generate complex Midjourney prompts based solely on the keywords I provided. The results were impressive. Midjourney generated some amazing images using the prompts created by GPT-4. At the end of the article, you'll find the lengthy prompt or persona that I sent to GPT-4.
Today I'm going to try my best to give a tutorial about how to use Midjourney. When you go to midjourney.com, you see a website like this. It's like a geek website. And you see from the left button, Get Started. When you click it, you see a page like this. There's using Discord, Get Started, and User Guide. I think you need to read all of the user guide documentation for better understanding how to use their prompts to generate images. Prompt list, there's a lot of commands you can use, but mostly we use imagine, like this. Imagine. When you type /imagine, you gotta imagine and prompt. Here is the place you input your prompt, like a happy dog. That's a very easy one. And you can type in AR16:9. That's the image ratio. Now it's generating a happy dog for me. So this is the simplest prompt I can use to generate images. So I just type in a happy dog. If you're not satisfied with this kind of simple prompts, you can always check out what other people's prompts are like. Like this one, a hyper-realistic landscape shot of sandy mountains at sunset. Something like that. You can always copy-paste from others. You can always go back to midjourney.com. You find this Explore. Here's all of the top images rated by a user. You can check out what kind of picture you like and try to copy their prompts. Like this one. You scroll down, copy, and go back to the channel. You type in imagine prompt. You paste what you copied before, and you type in the ratio you like. Bam, it is. Okay. Now you can see here's what I got from the prompt I copy paste. If you're satisfied with the first one, I can click U1 to upscale the image. The third one is also good, but the lady's eyes closed. Maybe I need some variation, so I click V3. That means get a variation based on the third picture. Now it's making variations for image 3 with prompt. Okay, now I can upscale the second one. Okay, I can go back to the Explorer, find out some other interesting pictures to copy. Oh, this one's beautiful. I can copy this one. Go back to the channel, /imagination. Ratio. Wow, it is beautiful. Now I want all of them. I can type U1, U2, U3, and U4. Okay, if you're still not satisfied with human-generated prompts, you can always use ChatGPT to generate Midjourney prompts for you. If you just tell ChatGPT to create a Midjourney prompt for you, tell ChatGPT you want a fantasy city with flying spaceship. Look what you got. It's not a prompt, it's an article. If you want ChatGPT to generate Midjourney prompts in the right way, you need to tell ChatGPT how to do that. I have prepared this very long prompt for ChatGPT to understand how to generate Midjourney prompts. I will put a link down below so you can copy and paste. Now I'm going to give you a demo here. We go to ChatGPT, we choose GPT-4, and we copy paste. Now ChatGPT is giving me some prompts I can use. So when it's still generating, I can copy paste the first one to try out. What's that? Okay, I think I've got the first one. Dreamy oil painting. It's beautiful, right? The second one? Wow, what a fantasy world. The third one, beautiful. That's how you use ChatGPT to generate the perfect Midjourney prompts for you. But still, I need to copy paste between windows. Today, I created my Discord server and also I code my Discord bot. And I add Midjourney bot into my channel. I can easily type prompt here and say dogs. Let's wait for the magic. This kind of prompt don't go to Midjourney first. It will go to my ChatGPT API. My ChatGPT will generate an imaginative prompt for me, and I can copy paste directly here, and then I don't need to copy paste between windows.
Now let's take a look at the breathtaking prompt created by ChatGPT. A mesmerizing digital painting of a fantastical city filled with beautiful, otherworldly alien dogs of various shapes, sizes, and colors, gracefully roaming the streets amidst majestic, towering buildings adorned with magical crystals and shimmering lights. The cityscape, with its ethereal architecture, twinkling stars, and floating sky islands, serves as a captivating backdrop for these extraordinary creatures, each with their unique characteristics and enchanting expressions. Gentle, glowing light illuminates the scene, casting a mystical ambiance that highlights the harmonious coexistence between the inhabitants of this wondrous realm. The rich detailing and vivid color palette capture the viewer's imagination, encouraging them to delve deeper into this whimsical and breathtaking fantasy world.
This bot is using my ChatGPT API to generate prompts for me. Directly paste here. I can just get everything down here in this channel. I'm waiting for the alien dogs. Where's the dogs? Oh my god, there's no dogs here. But it do seems like an alien planet. But there's no dogs here. They ignore my dogs. Let's do another demo. A beast and princess. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Okay, let's copy paste this one first. Let's wait and see. Okay, it's really awesome.
A mesmerizing digital painting of a tender moment between a gentle beast and a radiant princess, set amidst an enchanting secret garden. The princess, clad in a flowing silk gown, extends her hand to touch the beast's soft fur, her eyes filled with wonder, compassion, and understanding. The beast, in turn, surrenders to her touch, his eyes and posture conveying a measure of vulnerability and trust. The lush foliage, soft blossoming flowers, and ivy-covered walls create a dreamlike atmosphere, while the warm golden sunlight filters through the leaves, casting a magical glow upon the scene. The painting captures the unique connection between the two characters, emphasizing the delicate balance of strength and tenderness. The intricate detailing, masterful shading, and vibrant color palette, combined with an immersive composition, bring their fairy tale world to life.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Scan above QR code to get the prompt for ChatGPT. Instruction of how to create Midjourney prompt for image generation.